All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for tips and tricks. And today we're going to cover the dispatch screen. So, this is going to be the dispatch grid. And as you can imagine, all of your technicians are over here to the left. We're looking at Thursday, March 2nd. If I need to move over a day, I can click right there in the middle, move over to the third. I can even hit the arrows here to go back and forth depending on the day. Now, as we look at the schedule here, we can see all of those technicians and the availability that they have, the jobs they have assigned, and the things in which we can move around. So if for any reason we need to change the scheduled job, we can move that job over to the time, drag and drop it, and it will automatically reflect on our dispatch grid. Now we can also right click on our mouse and we can create an estimate, job, task, or time off right from the dispatch grid. This also gives you the availability to see the weekly view, as well as setting filters to see specific technicians, seeing different types of jobs, estimates, different categorizations of those jobs, as well as different statuses on your dispatch grid. Last and certainly not but least, we have some folders down here helping you all take the unscheduled jobs, unassigned jobs as additional, and then we can drag and drop those up to the required days and times so that we can make sure that they get scheduled with the right technician at the right time. Now, that's just a little bit about the dispatch grid. On the next one, we'll cover the dispatch map.